Most respected and Honorable Chancellor, Dr. Atul Chauhan ji, respected Pooja ma'am, Abhay ji, Amol ji, the Group Vice Chancellor, all my esteemed colleagues, deans, heads of institution, and our very special guest from Afghanistan, faculty members and very dear the students. It's a great day that we are all assembled here for the inaugural session of 21st Inter-Amity Institutional Sports Meet Sangathan 2019. The great vision of our great founder president, who 21 years back conceived this idea that sports in the life of students is very important. The sports during education is very important. It not only develops the good physical health, but it builds the leadership skills, it builds the social skills, and it nurtures the talent in various fields. And I remember very distinctly when Dr. Gurinder Singh the first time, he started a Sangathan and the founder president was asking that how we will engage our students, what should we do? And from that very small event, and today we see the mega event which comes across, the students come across from across the globe, gather on 24th of October every year. And from today onwards, in all the campuses, the students will be competing with each other, at the same time socializing with each other. And as our chairperson of organizing committee was sharing that this year even the government of India has announced that Fit India. So we really see that the vision of our founder president, 21 years back when he said that the fitness, physical fitness is extremely important, and he introduced this concept, the Sangathan for every student. Not only that, about 8 years back when founder president said that why can't we have a credit course, sports as a credit course in the curriculum, so the students who play the sport, they can earn the credit for that. Not only that, when we look at the national education policy, which is still in the draft form, in that the sports has also been integrated in the curriculum. The social work and the human values and community outreach are also integrated in the curriculum, and that has been integrated under the leadership of our chancellor. Long time back, almost 8 years back, we integrated in our curriculum. So Amity, we can say as Amity group, sets the standards for the rest of the world to follow. And that's what the leadership position of the Amity is. We are truly fortunate under the leadership of our Honorable Founder President, who has given this great Amity empire. And truly our chancellors, the president, additional president, and the whole Chauhan family, who is truly committed to one side the excellence in the education, but at the same time developing the human being who are down to earth, who think first for the world, first for the nation, before thinking for themselves. That means these are the leaders, these are the talent who will be making the difference in the world, because the Honorable Founder President says the youth of Amity will make the difference in the world. The Amitians will make the difference in the world. And I'm seeing that the Amitians are really moving the mountains across the globe. With this, I wish all the best to all the participating team with the true spirit of sportsmanship, and I would like to congratulate the organizing team who have put in all the events and initiated the new things. The march past in the inaugural session, which has been a new initiative. Secondly, very amicably the bigger institution agreed to split their institution to the team A and team B, which is also the new initiative, with the objective of where the founder's vision is the large number of students should be participating in the sports events. So that's the another initiative organizing team has taken. So my compliment and congratulations to all the HOAs, organizing team, and everybody.